In this video I'm going to show you how to use the equals upper function to force a capital letter. So we're going to continue using, as we did in the last video, the work on the gender. So you can see that I've got my single letter gender column, which we did last lesson by using the equals left. I'm going to use something called the upper function to force uppercase on the entries in the cell. So again, I'm going to add a column in the same way as I've done before by right clicking on the column after where I want my new column to appear, and I'm going to insert a column. Don't forget, make sure that you, even though it says general, it's only looking at the top column there, so just make sure you select the column and make sure that you select the general format on that cell. So this is going to be gender upper. Okay, and it's a really straightforward function. So I'm just going to type in equals upper and open a bracket. Excel always gives you instructions on what it's asking you to do, and this is a really straightforward one. This is just asking you to identify what value you want to convert uppercase. So it's this value here, the gender letter, and I'm going to close my bracket and I'm going to press enter. Okay, you can see it's forced in uppercase, and then again I'm just going to copy this all the way down to my 100 entries, and I'm going to let the mouse go, and there we are. We now have uppercase letters for the gender letter that we worked out last time. So that's how we use the upper function to force capital letters.